Okay, so today I'm gonna be opening my well, I made this kind of treasure X by myself. Well, this is part of the real ones, and see the guy and his claw and the treasure. This is the treasure. So today I'm gonna be looking for the key with the X tool. I remember what that's called. So you see there's a napkin covered on it. I made that myself. So now I'm gonna uncover it with the X. I tried so hard and I got it. So now I can just whip the rest open. Okay, so now that I whipped the napkin open, see these blue goo stuff? I will use the X tool. Okay, so there's a digging thing, a saw, and a shovel. This is what happens to the digging thing. Oh, the digging thing is the slowest. The sawing thing is a little bit more faster, but the shoveling is the fastest. So today I'm gonna use the slowest. Well, I'm gonna use the slowest. Wait, I think sawing is more better because it's little. When I get to the bottom, I usually start to shovel. Okay, I didn't find anything yet. Nothing yet.
I thought I saw something in that other
Wait. It was probably just something right because I saw something too and it didn't look like anything like a key. Oh my god. I'm not sure.
It was in the other scoop box.
Well, wait. Why isn't it in here? What the? Where did it go? Yeah, I am. Oh, I think I put it in here by accident. And I didn't even know it. Where are you, key? Aha! Here it is! And now I can open the treasure. What the heck? What's wrong with the key? Ah, a trap! Oh, get this thing away from me. And we found a shield. A shield? Get it? Shield.
Hello, Mr. Stromoli.
Hello. Okay, so this is the end of my this is the end of my Treasure X video, and subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye! And hit the notification bell too. I forgot to say that. Bye.